obviously at a premium when you're setting up for your four-wheel drive adventures and packing your vehicles, so you kind of want accessories that have two uses, and this is one of them here. This is called the Exitrax Exilink. It's designed to actually join two Exitrax together. So these little teeth there lock into one end and lock into the other, like so. Particularly handy connecting those two Exitrax in really sloppy situations where one recovery board just might not do. And the other really handy use for the Exilink is as a jacking base plate. They've made this little indentation in the bottom of the Exitrax, and this just basically slots in there. So it's not going to slide out. And then we're actually using the entire board as well as the Exilink as a jacking base plate. Now, jacking base plates, for anyone that's done any sort of four-wheel driving and has had a flat tire or blown a tire off the bead, whatever you've done, the ground out here is very, very unstable and very soft. Doesn't matter whether it's mud, snow, sand. Generally speaking, you're going to need a jacking base plate, because you put a bottle jack or any sort of jack on this sort of country and it'll simply sink straight down or sink at an angle and your vehicle will fall off that jack. So it's really important to have a solid jacking base plate. And when you couple the Exilink up with the Exitrax, you're not going to get a bigger one than that or a more stable platform. Now you can fit the Exitrax mounting kit to most major types of roof racks, and it's got a lifetime warranty.